everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Allure Beauty Box unboxing for you guys. So I hope that you enjoy this, and yeah, let's see what's in this month's box. I was super excited to find this in the mail when I got home from work today, and it's been a long day, let me just tell you that. 10-hour shift today, 10-hour shift yesterday. We're super short-staffed. It's been fun, and I work retail, so it's been a lot of fun. So if I look a little tired, that is why I'm trying to gather up the energy to film this video. Okay, so this is September's Allure Beauty Box. It feels pretty light, so we'll see what's in here. Yeah, if you guys want to subscribe to this box, it is only $15 a month, and it comes with lots of little goodies in here every single month. So you have, every month you get a little book that comes, it's like a little magazine that comes with the box, and it tells you a little bit about some of the products that have come in your box, and like a little story of like the editors using it or something like that. So when we open up the box, there's the products. So the first thing, ooh, I actually see something, so I'm going to pick this up. It's lashes, and I don't really use fake lashes because my lashes are fairly long to begin with. I've only put on fake lashes once and they kind of fell off, so I'm not the best at putting on fake lashes just because I've only done it once. But these look super like fluttery and like really light. These are Tarteist Pro cruelty-free lashes, and that's amazing. They're cruelty-free. And on the back it says, little black dress, everyday lashes enhance natural length. I don't know if this comes with adhesive, but I know I don't have any, so we'll have to, I'm going to open this up and check inside. No, so you do have to get your own glue, which I'm going to have to get that, but I'll show you guys up close. They are some really pretty, like natural everyday lashes, so that's exciting. Let's see if it says anything in the book about them. These are actually $12, and you can get them from tartecosmetics.com, and there is a little promo code. The next thing in here is actually, lash adhesive. Oh my gosh, there's some lash glue, guys. It's meant to be. They just knew what they were talking about. So this is a Tarteist Pro, so it goes with the same thing, lash adhesive, and it's cruelty free, and it's so pretty. It's got like a little applicator brush like that, and it's super thin, so you can get it on your lashes. So yay, that is exciting, and that means I don't have to go get my own lash glue. So for that, it says this is actually $9 on tartecosmetics.com, and yeah, super exciting. The next thing in here that I'm going to pick up is actually this is a cool little product, but this is by Drunk Elephant, maybe? TLC Sukari Baby Facial, 25% AHA, 2% BHA. Suggested use once weekly. Apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Follow immediately with our marula oil for best results. Slight tingling may be experienced. So is this like a face mask? It's really cool. I guess you just pump it out like that. I don't want to like get it out, but let's see what it says in here about that. It's actually $80 for the full size one. I don't think this is a full size one. I highly doubt it. But the full size one is $80. So it's a peel. Never used a peel before. So I'm excited and also slightly scared to use it. But I'll let you guys know what I think of it. And it's such a cute little packaging, the pink and white. Super adorable. Alright, next thing in here that I see is a Rich Kid coconut oil gel. So this is found, what is it? So it says apply to clean towel dried hair and let air dry for optimal separation and hydration. Let me see what it smells like. So it's for your hair. oh god, it's coming out. It smells really nice. Let's read about it. Let's see. So, IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. This retails for $29 for the full price. And yeah, it's meant for your hair to like make it all non-frizzy, tousled, and looking nice. So I'm excited to try this because my hair is actually, it's not curly and it's not straight. It's just like a wavy combination, kind of limpless, frizzy. So this is meant apparently to keep it frizz-free and looking fresh and bouncy. So I'm excited to try that, and it smells really nice. And the last thing in here is a MAC lipstick. How exciting. This is so cool. What color is this? This is a full-size one. This is the color Lustering, so it's like a pinky reddish color. Let's see. Ooh, fancy. So pretty. So there's the color. Put it on here. Yeah, so it's a really nice kind of creamy, pinky reddish color. So I'm super excited to wear this because I love MAC. MAC is an amazing brand. So let's see. So you either get it in Lustering or Ruby Woo, which Ruby Woo is more of a deeper color. Lustering is a glossy watermelon pink, so that's why it's like a pinkish reddish color, that's what I said. You can do one swipe for a sheer pink stain or keep layering to dial up to a bolder fuchsia. Awesome, that sounds exciting. And I love pinks. So yeah, this retails for $18.50 on the MAC website, MAC Cosmetics, or if you just go to MAC. And that is everything in this box, guys. Yep, that's everything in the box. So you get 2, 3, 4, 5 amazing products. This is a full-size MAC lipstick for $18 and the box is only $15. So I'm telling you again, you get an amazing deal. You get an amazing deal in this Allure box. It's like one of my favorite beauty boxes that I've ever tried. And of course you get pretty much a full size lash, obviously, because I'm not going to give you a miniature lash. And the lashes are $12 on its own. So those two products right there just pay for this box, and then everything else is pretty amazing as well. So yeah, that is it, guys. That's it for my unboxing of my September Allure Beauty Box. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried any of these products. I've actually never tried any of these before, so that's one of the reasons why I love Allure as well, because it gives you so many different things that you can try out, and if you've never tried it, cool. You know, you only pay $15 and that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the link down below if you guys do want to check it out, and you can subscribe to their box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!